Hi there, so today we are solving the problem 3461. Check if digits are equal in a string after operations 1. So we are given a string and we have to perform this operation repeatedly until the string has exactly 2 digits. What we have to do is, for each pair of consecutive digits in S, we have to start from the first digit, calculate a new digit as a sum of the 2 digits modulo 10, and we have to replace S with the sequence of newly calculated digits, maintaining the order in which they are computed. Okay, so we have to return true if the final 2 digits in S are the same, otherwise return false. Okay, so in this string, if we sum up these 2, 3 and 9, it will be 12 mod 2, 2. Then 9 and 0 will become 9. Then 0 and 2 will become 2. So overall it will become 2, 9 and 2, right? Here 2, 9 and 2. Okay, and then again we have to do the same thing with this string, because the string's length is still more than 2. So we will sum up 2 and 9, it will be 1, because 11 mod 10 is 1. Then 9 and 2, again 11 mod 10 is 1, and at the end both characters will become 1, 1. Okay, both characters at the end are equal, so we are returning true. Otherwise we should return false. Okay, like in this string, after calculating and doing this operation till the string's length is 2, we are not reaching at the point where both the characters are same, so we have to return false as the answer. Okay, so it's a very simple question because of the constraints, actually, because the string length is at max 100, so we can easily do whatever is given to us in an simulation manner. So whatever it is asking us, we will keep on trying to do that. So what we can do is, we can run a while loop till the time our string length is greater than 2. We will keep on doing this, and what we will do is, we will call a helper function with the string, and this helper function will return us the string after doing the operation in one string. Okay, so it will reduce the length of the string by 1 at each operation. Okay, and after that, if, because at the end we will have a string with length 2. Okay, so if s dot char at 0 is equals to s dot char at 1, that means the both characters are same and we can simply return true, otherwise we can return false. Okay, so what this helper function is doing, it is simply returning a string one length than what is given to us. Okay, so we are actually going to keep the track of the new characters in a string builder. It will be easier for us. So after creating the string builder, we are going to traverse the string from the second index, actually, because we want to calculate the sum of the first two and the next two, then next two. So while I will be less than string length, we'll do this. So we can use this get numeric value function of character class to get the actual numeric value of any character at that point. So we can take I minus 1 and ith character, and we can sum these characters up. So we have to take the mod as well, because they can definitely be greater than 9, and we have to append this in our string builder. Okay, so at the end we will return the value of the string that is formed in the string builder. Okay, and yeah, I think let's try to run this. Okay, let's try to submit this as well. Okay, so the time complexity of the solution is going to be order of n square, because we are going to call this helper function at max order of n times, and at each iteration this helper function is just running a for loop which is order of n. So in total the time complexity is going to be order of n square, and space complexity is going to be order of n, probably because of this string builder and which we are using in between. So time complexity is order of n square, space complexity is order of n. And yeah, I think that was all for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next one. Bye bye.